Hi! Recently I did a glam makeup video, so I'm doing the complete opposite. The only time I really ever like to wear like heavy foundation in general is when I'm like filming. But this is just for every day. Every time I try to wear like glam makeup in the heat, man, my forehead is all off, so I don't even bother. So with that being said, let's get started. Dying to try is BB cream. SPF, which means it will protect your skin. You should still wear sunscreen underneath. Whenever I go outside, I still always put on a little bit of sunscreen before. I don't want wrinkles. 20. Oh my god, my birthday's in exactly 1 month from today. Today's August 8th. I'm turning 20. I'm going through a crisis. So I apply it with a beauty blender. God, my skin looks horrible. Like that. It's just enough to get some even skin tone, you know? And it smells really good. But it's the perfect amount of coverage that I personally like for like everyday makeup. So yeah, that gets most of the redness that I have in my face. Not completely gone, but to a point where I don't mind. So I don't look like a clown or Jigsaw. So I like to put that on my under eye. And then I put it on my imperfections. Ladies, we're all perfect. We don't need... like, what are even imperfections? We're all perfect. Girl power. Beat the face for the gods. I want a highlighted under eye because I feel like it just makes you look like younger, even though I'm literally only 19. I'm talking about I want to look younger. I don't know, it gives like a youth effect to it. I think I got my nails too long because this nail's already starting to freaking come off. Got my nails redone because I got them too long. I might have made a mistake, but also like, why do I look so white? In person, it looks great. On the camera, I look like Casper. So I just use this brow pencil from CoverGirl. I just realized I literally only use Maybelline and CoverGirl products. Y'all should sponsor me. Speaking of sponsors, I might have my first sponsorship in mind. And that's crazy. So I just like to do feather-like hair strokes. I think my exposure might be too freaking bright. I'm gonna... oops, oop, 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 and I oop, and I oop, and I oop. That's my natural brow. Now I have to actually carve it, so 1 sec. Now I'm going to take my CoverGirl powder. So I'm setting where I put concealer the most, but BB cream is not so thick. It's not so heavy, and I didn't use that much, so I don't really have to set much. And now just lightly dust the rest of my face. So next up is bronzer. Now that that's done, ooh. This is a big game changer, especially for people like me that have really short and flat lashes that grow out like straight. I always used to talk about how I would never use lash curlers. I felt like I was in a saw trap and that I felt like I was gonna scoop my eyeball out. I'm like crying, but done. I poked my eye a few times. Should be an actress. I'm literally crying. Literally just buy the cheapest mascara on the drugstore, and this so happened to be on sale for $7.99, so I bought it. Literally no reason why. So let's see. Ooh, I like the curvature. Stop. Oh my god. That's so good. This is insane for my lashes. My lashes never get this long. I have like short, stubby baby lashes, and this is making them look so long. Okay, like for me, that's insane that I did that to my lashes. Now I'm gonna just let those dry, and then we're gonna get back, curl them once more, and I'm gonna put on lip gloss. Where is it? I don't know where it is. Why is my life this hard? So I like the natural color of my lips. Okay, my lashes are dry. Now I just have to recurl them. Coming! And this you have to make sure they're fully dry or else the mascara will literally come off, so. I'm done. Welcome to my natural makeup, or welcome back to my natural makeup. It always changes, but this is the routine that I've been loving. With this as the final look. I hope you enjoy. Yeah, so this is the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you smash the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe down below. My camera's gonna die, so I don't have enough time to look for a post notification shout out, but I will add it while I'm editing. I love y'all, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mwah.